PQNK, Picnic, Restoring Earth's Cycles for Climate and Food Security. Welcome. We are here to discuss a fundamental solution to our interconnected climate, water, and food crises. This solution is not a new technology, but a return to nature's most successful operating system. We present PQNK, pronounced Picnic, the regenerative Pristine Organic Farming System. It is a scientific blueprint to restore the broken cycles of our planet and build unshakable food security. The core imbalance, a broken hydrological cycle. Key human disruptions. 1. Overmining of groundwater. Drained strategic reserves. 2. Reduced soil absorption. Hard pan and lost organic matter turn rain into flood runoff. The direct consequence. Water shifts from safe underground storage to excess atmospheric humidity. This is the primary driver of climate instability. Our climate crisis is not primarily a story of carbon. It is a story of water. This diagram illustrates the profound imbalance we have created. On the left, you see the healthy, balanced water cycle, a system of infiltration, storage, and gradual release that has regulated our climate for millennia. On the right, you see our two critical disruptions. First, we overmine groundwater, draining our savings account. Second, we have destroyed the soil's sponge-like structure, so rain cannot infiltrate and instead becomes destructive flood runoff. The direct consequence is shown here in red, this massive shift of water from the earth into the sky. This excess atmospheric humidity is the primary engine of intensified storms, unpredictable rainfall, and climate devastation. The science is clear, hydrology drives 95% of the climate effect. We have broken Earth's cooling system. Cascading collapse, interlinked broken cycles. From one break to total systemic failure. Key points to highlight. The cascade, a failure in one cycle critically destabilizes the next. Core consequence, the broken food quality cycle leads to a steady decline in usable energy, nutrients, per unit of food. Final impact, this creates a negative feedback loop of rising costs and declining public health, undermining economic and social stability. The broken water cycle does not exist in isolation. It triggers a domino effect of total systemic collapse. This diagram shows the cascade. Broken water leads to dead soil. Dead soil cannot buffer the climate, leading to greater extremes. Stressed soils and climate produce food that is less nutritious, a measurable decline in the energy and vitamins per calorie. This, in turn, drives up healthcare costs and economic instability, creating a negative feedback loop that prevents recovery. You cannot fix the food, health, or economic crisis without first fixing the water and soil cycles. They are all one interconnected system. Fixing agriculture in isolation is impossible. We must repair the entire linked system. The PQNK correction, closing the loops. Agricultural models comparison. Extractive model, linear. Input dependent. Depletes soil, exports nutrients and water. Creates dead zones and runoff. Picnic model, regenerative loop. Circular and closed loop. Fertility source, feeds microbes to unlock soil's geological minerals. Core outcome, builds stable humus for water absorption. Pest management, a layered immune system, healthy plants, beneficial biology, predators. Picnic provides the precise, systemic correction, moving us from the linear model on the left to the regenerative loop on the right. The old model is extractive, it depends on external inputs, exports nutrients, and creates dead zones and pollution. The PQNK model is a closed loop. Here, crop residue and manure feed a thriving soil microbiome. This microbial workforce is the key, it unlocks the fertility already present in the soil's geological mineral reserves. This same biological engine builds stable humus, which acts as a sponge, solving our water crisis. Finally, pest management becomes a function of a layered, natural immune system, relying on plant health, beneficial organisms, and predators instead of chemicals. The shift is fundamental, from chemistry to biology. We do not add fertility, we unlock it. We manage pests by strengthening the farm's immune system. PQNK in action, 4 steps to rebalance water and soil. 1. Precision leveling and breaking the hardpan. Space saving, operational efficiency. Shatter subsurface compaction. Enables deep water infiltration and robust root growth. 2. Correct soil chemistry. Deep irrigation plus sulfuric acid application, for pH greater than 8. Leaches salts, unlocks minerals, rebalances soil. 3. Establish permanent raised beds. Plant deep-rooted Sesbania, Xantar, to biologically fracture subsoil and mine nutrients. Four. Chop biomass as protective mulch. Retain roots to feed soil life. Plant cash crops directly with no-till planter. PQNK translates into a clear, 4-step protocol that systematically rebuilds the land. Let's see it in action. Top video begins, showing leveling, subsoiling, water washing the soil, bed shaping. What you see first is the foundational repair. Step 1, we shatter the hardpan with subsoiling, breaking the physical barrier that blocks water and roots. Immediately, we move to step 2, correcting the soil's chemistry. You can see the deep irrigation washing through the profile. This water, often combined with acid for high pH soils, actively leaches out salts and unlocks the mineral nutrients that have been trapped in the soil's geological reserve. We are not just adding water, we are using it as a tool to rebalance the soil's chemistry within our closed-loop system. In the same sequence, we implement step 3, building the permanent architecture for life. The land is shaped into permanent raised beds. These beds become the stable, uncompacted growing zones where we will soon plant a deep-rooted crop like Xantar to biologically till and enrich the subsoil. Transition to bottom video, showing mulching and planting in one pass. This brings us to the regenerative heart of the system, step 4. Watch as the grown biomass is chopped and laid down as a protective, living mulch. All the roots are retained underground to decompose. And in one efficient pass, the no-till planter inserts the seeds of our cash crop directly into this armored, life-filled system. This is the closed loop in motion. From here, we plant crop after crop, continuously feeding soil life, building the sponge-like humus, and securing water in the land. This 4-step sequence is the practical application of ecosystem science, a complete protocol to restore the soil's hydrological function and biological engine from the ground up. A sequential, science-based protocol to restore hydrological function and soil life from the ground up. The outcome and the path forward. The outcome of adopting the PQNK blueprint is a new benchmark for true security. We measure success not just in yield, but in ecological health, carbon sequestered, water held, biodiversity hosted. This translates into nutritional, climate, and economic resilience, a distributed network of productive farms replacing a brittle, centralized chain. To achieve this at scale, we must build 3 critical support pillars. First, establish training farms as hands-on learning hubs for farmers. Second, provide shared access to the essential machinery for transition, like subsoilers, bed shapers, mulchers and no-till planters. And third, Consciously develop a new food chain that values and distributes this nutrient-dense, low-cost food to ensure public health and farmer viability. The policy choice is clear: continue to subsidize the extractive model, or strategically invest in regenerating our foundational cycles. Footnote: PQNK, pronounced picnic. The regenerative and sustainable pristine organic farming system is grounded in natural ecosystem science. This science employs perennial biodiversity, protects soil with organic mulch, and avoids practices like water inundation, tillage disturbance, and leaving soil bare.